What's the meaning of buckyballs? Buckyballs. Buckyballs.
Buckyballs. Buckyballs. Buckyballs are a type of molecule named after Buckminster Fuller, an American architect and inventor. They consist of 60 carbon atoms arranged in a spherical shape, forming a hollow cage-like structure that closely resembles a soccer ball. The discovery of buckyballs in 1985 revolutionized the field of nanotechnology and materials science, as they possess unique properties such as high tensile strength, electrical conductivity, and high lubricity. These properties make buckyballs ideal for various applications, ranging from drug delivery systems to high-performance materials for aerospace and electronics industries.